فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير تحلق في ثقافات وتنهل من ربى الخير.
When an earthquake strikes, remember from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When an earthquake strikes, it's from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Unless somehow, somewhere behind the scenes, there are people doing nuclear testing somewhere in the ocean nearby, messing around with the tectonic plates, that too, Allah will deal with them. But we'd like to look at it as though, perhaps if no one was tampering with it and it happened, it is indeed something we call a natural disaster. That's our terminology. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's very, very different. Now people look at it and say, yeah, there's a lot of sin happening there. My brothers and sisters, let's look at the Islamic perspective. Is that what it is? When you and I suffer a motor vehicle accident or something happens or you get sick, does it really mean you've been a sinful person? The answer is a big no. No. It does not mean that automatically. One disaster could mean different things for different people according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As time passed, you became more regular with your prayer. Then you died in an earthquake. Good news to you, that wasn't a punishment. That was the mercy of Allah. How many of us have seen the clips of those imams who were standing in the front of the masjid in Indonesia and they were leading the salah when the earthquake struck? Are you trying to tell me that was punishment? A'udhu billah. That was the biggest mercy of Allah. It is wrong to declare that the earthquake was a punishment. Totally wrong. Yes, for those who died while they were transgressing, it may have been a punishment from Allah.